Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're shining the spotlight on an exciting item that has been making waves in the nail care community: the Best Beetles Gel Nail Polish Builder Gel. If you're looking to elevate your nail game with professional-grade results at home, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. Let's talk about what makes the Beetles Gel Polish Builder Gel so special. First off, this gel comes in a convenient 15 ml bottle, which is perfect for both beginners and seasoned nail enthusiasts. The unique 5-in-1 formula is designed to serve multiple purposes, allowing you to use it as a base gel, builder gel, and even as a strengthener. This versatility means you can achieve various nail looks, from natural to more elaborate designs, all with one product. What's particularly impressive is the gel's consistency and application. It's lighter than traditional acrylics and hard gels, which means you won't feel weighed down by your nails. Despite being lightweight, the Beetles Builder Gel offers outstanding strength and durability, allowing your nails to stay chip-free and fabulous for over 30 days with proper application. The gel also has slight self-leveling properties, making it easier to apply and sculpt your nails to the perfect shape. Using the Beetles Builder Gel is quick and straightforward. After prepping your nails, apply a thin layer of base gel and cure it under a UV or LED lamp for about 60 seconds. Then, you can move on to the Builder Gel. One of the standout features of this product is the detachable liner brush that comes included. It allows for precise application and refinement of the sidewalls and apex of your nails, ensuring that every detail is on point. Once you've sculpted your desired nail shape, you'll cure the gel again for 60 seconds. And don't worry if there's a bit of a sticky layer left after curing. That's completely normal. This allows the polish to adhere better to the top coat, creating a flawless finish. In terms of safety, Beetles has also prioritized the health of your nails. The gel is made with toxin-free ingredients, free from harsh chemicals that can damage your natural nails. However, a word of caution: always perform a patch test before full application, as some users may experience allergic reactions. Another great aspect of the Beetles Gel Polish Builder Gel is its user-friendly nature. Whether you're new to nail art or looking for a reliable product to keep your nails looking salon fresh, this gel has you covered. Plus, it's available in various shades, so you can customize your look to fit any occasion or mood. Lastly, the Beetles Gel Polish has garnered attention not just for its quality but also for its affordability. It delivers salon-like results without breaking the bank, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about nail care. In summary, if you're in the market for a gel nail polish that combines versatility, ease of use, and excellent durability, look no further than the Best Beetles Gel Nail Polish Builder Gel. It's perfect for those who want to achieve beautiful nails from the comfort of their home. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and beauty tips. Until next time, keep those nails stunning.